Welcome to the Solar Energy Channel, where you'll get an honest inside look at everything solar. I'm Warren.
And I'm Charles, and today we're going to talk about why you should be cautious when using solar lead generation sites.
Before we jump into the content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of future videos just like this. So what exactly are these solar lead generation sites, Charles?
So these sites are what we call pay to play. So most times your solar companies have to pay to get the leads that they generate. And the problem with this is they're not always gathering the best information. They're also not setting proper expectations up front for those that are looking at going solar. And so there's a lot of unmet expectations and when these leads are brought to us, say a solar installer.
And they're not necessarily promoted on the quality of work or the experience that the company has. They're promoted or get a higher ranking based on how much they pay to be on that website.
Yeah, and the other thing is they rarely look at shade on your site. So if they generate like a generic quote for you, they're not taking into the full scope of what solar is going to cost you. It's just maybe more of a generic price per watt based on prices from last year of some sort. It's not current pricing. It's not specific to your site oftentimes. So it's often rarely that beneficial to you when it comes to just figuring out the price.
Yeah, no, I most certainly would not rely on the numbers that they present to you without very little information. They haven't been out to your location. They haven't analyzed your electric bill. They really don't know the details to give you an accurate picture of what solar would look like for you.
Yeah, solar is an investment. You need someone that's going to take the time to look at your specific scenario, to give you a specific quote for you. Not going to force you into something you want to do, because if that lead closes, someone else gets monetary value. And that's the pressure that's going on behind a lot of these sites is projects need to close so that the referring company that generated the lead gets paid, and so on and so forth.
So Charles, if somebody doesn't want to use one of these lead generation sites, and they shouldn't, what should they do?
So the best advice I can give you is go directly to a local installer. Someone that you can have a conversation with face to face. Someone that's going to come out to your site, look at your situation, look at your roof, give you an estimate exactly for you, and then also check reviews and check what other people are saying about them. We also have a video that we produced that goes through how to select a solar installer if you'd like to watch that.
Yes, and you can watch that by clicking on the link in the description below. And also you may want to get more than one quote. Look at 2 or 3 installers and get quotes from more than one installer.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found this content very useful. Please leave comments in the section below. We'd love to hear feedback from you.